There might be many instances when you download music files in your computer from the internet, but you can't able to play it. These music files are considered secure WMA files. Though you will experience some issues in playing it, there is a solution for that. There is an easy way out for you to remove DRM. Basically, all music files have DRM protection. This kind of protection helps limit the usage of digital content and other media devices. Sharing of this file is made limited by mega corporations like Microsoft and Apple so that the copyrights of their digital investments will be secured. Through DRM protection, one cannot download music in digital format using different kinds of digital media. One can fully understand this when one purchases music files on an online music store. You will notice that each music file has DRM protection, making it harder for you to use with different media player. Thus, you need to make sure that your media player is compatible with the music file. One example of media player that incorporates DRM protection in their music files is iTunes. Here you will only be allowed to play your music through a QuickTime player. In connection to this, limiting the usage of this digital content is not only limited to this. As a matter of fact, even though you already purchased the music file, you cannot easily share this music to friends. With this, it only explains that one needs to purchase his own music file from a digital store. The first thing that you need to do in order to remove DRM from all your audio or video files is to get an access to DRM removal application. You can easily download the application through searching it on the internet. In order to eliminate this inconvenience, just download the DRM removal application. With this, you can definitely remove DRM from protected WMA. This will allow you to maximize your music experience. These applications are easy to find because they are offered by several websites these days. Just visit a search engine, type in the keyword, and click search. You will just then follow the path that is provided to you. Once you find a credible website, do not hesitate to download the app because it is given for free. Acquiring the application is fast and easy, which also means that you can remove the protection without going through a lot of trouble. You can now start the conversion to remove DRM from protected files by choosing the conversion option. Not only does the application gives you the liberty to remove the DRM protection, but it also gives you the chance to convert the file according to the format that you want. If you want, you can also choose the location where the converted files should be placed. If you will not appoint a specific folder, all the files will be saved on default. Once you have already set the location and the format, you can now click the start button to signal the beginning of the conversion process. This is done to ensure that your converted file will not be located by default. By the time that you have applied the different options to your opted file, you can now then proceed to the last stretch of the conversion process. This is done by clicking the start button. By the end of the conversion process, the files will no longer have the DRM. This will then make your newly converted music files ready for listening. Aside from removing the DRM protection, this application can also be utilized in making your music experience better.